Imagine this for a moment. A B.Tech fresher walks into a campus placement interview and absolutely nails the technical rounds. Data structures, perfect. Algorithms, flawless. Coding question, solved without any hesitation. Then the interviewer asks one unexpected question. Can you use ChatGPT to quickly generate insights from this customer dataset? Suddenly, the candidate hesitates. He tries typing a few prompts but struggles to guide the AI properly. Meanwhile, the candidate sitting next to him types a few clear instructions, refines the prompt once, and within minutes produces a clean summary with useful insights. Same knowledge, same opportunity, but only one person knew how to work with AI effectively. And in today's job market, that difference matters more than ever. Across industries, companies are rapidly integrating generative AI into their daily workflows. Research from industry analysts suggests that by 2026, nearly 80% of the companies will be using generative AI tools across areas like marketing, analytics, customer support, and software development. What's interesting is that these tools aren't replacing professionals, they're amplifying the productivity of people who know how to use them well. Someone who understands basic generative AI workflows can complete tasks faster, experiment with ideas quickly, and produce professionals' quality work in a fraction of a time. That's why skills like prompt engineering, AI-assisted content creation, and model interaction are now appearing alongside traditional technical skills in many entry-level job descriptions. In other words, knowing how to collaborate with AI is quickly becoming a valuable professional skill. If you're curious about learning these skills, there's a beginner-friendly place to start. SkillUp by Simplilearn offers a free course called Generative AI for Beginners. This course is designed specifically for students, freshers, and professionals who want to understand how generative AI tools work without needing prior technical expertise. It includes about 4 hours of self-paced video lessons, and once you complete it, you'll receive a shareable certificate that you can add in your LinkedIn profile and resume. The course begins with the fundamentals of generative AI. You'll learn what generative AI actually is, how it differs from traditional machine learning, and why it has become such an important technology across industries. You'll also see examples of how AI can generate different types of outputs, from blog articles and marketing content to images and code. Next, the course introduces Generative AI Studio within Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform. This allows you to experiment with AI models directly in your browser without even complicated setup required or any infrastructure. From there, the course moves into most of the valuable skills in modern AI usage. Prompt engineering. You'll learn how to structure prompts so that AI models generate clearer and more useful outputs. This includes techniques like zero-shot prompting, where you can give AI a task within minimal instruction. Then comes few-shot prompting, where examples guide the model towards better results, and chain of thought prompting, which helps AI reason through more complex tasks step by step. And finally, the course introduces model tuning concepts, showing how parameters like temperature and sampling influence the creativity and accuracy of AI response. Understanding these settings help you produce more consistent and reliable outputs when working with AI systems. One of the best parts of this course is that it's not purely theoretical. Throughout this lesson, you'll see demonstrations of how generative AI can produce real outputs, such as a blog draft, marketing copy, visual concept, and even a small code snippets. This hands-on exposure helps you understand how professionals actually use AI tools in real workflows. More importantly, it helps you develop the judgment to recognize them. AI-generated outputs are useful and when they need refinement. This course is ideal for a wide range of learners. It's useful for students exploring careers in technology, marketing professionals creating content, developers experimenting with AI tools, and anyone interested in understanding how generative AI works. Even if you are completely new to AI, this course provides a simple starting point to begin experimenting with these tools confidently. Generative AI is quickly becoming a part of everyday work across industries. The people who understand how to guide these systems will have clear advantage in how they solve problems, create content, and even explore ideas. If you're curious about how generative AI works and how people are already using it to work faster and smarter, check out the link in the description and enroll for free and start exploring the possibilities today.